Hey everyone, it's me Ella, and this week on FUNNIFLIX, I'm going to be testing some super cool experiments. So without further ado, let's get started with the first one. Okay everyone, so for this experiment, you're going to need some slime, which I'm making right now, and then you're going to need some magnets and black iron oxide, which will attract to the magnets, which is why this slime is called attractive slime. Get it? Now I'm going to mix in the black iron oxide. Yum. That was kind of a lot, but we're gonna go with it. I cannot wait to see if this is really gonna work. Okay, so one thing's for sure, this is very messy, so I would do it outside if I were you, but now it's time for the moment of truth if this actually works. So I'm gonna see. So the slime is supposed to be attracted to the magnet. I think it's actually working. I'm gonna see how high I can get it. That is actually so cool. So in the video, the slime devoured the magnet, so let's see if we can get it to do that. I'm gonna put it a little bit closer and see what happens. It actually looks like it's moving. Yeah, it's definitely moving. I'm gonna see what happens. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. You can see it moving onto the magnet. Slowly but surely, it's definitely going on there. Wow, this is so cool. I didn't really think it would actually devour the magnet. Online, it was definitely more dramatic, but I have to say this experiment definitely worked, so it's super fun. Okay, so this experiment is called Color Explosion, and the things you'll need are milk, some food coloring, a cotton ball, dish soap, and a plate. So start off by pouring milk into a deep set plate. Now add different colored drops of food coloring. So I'm going to start off by making it rainbow. Okay, so now that you have some food coloring, then you're going to want to take the cotton ball and dip it in dish soap. And then apparently you just put it into the milk and colors will just start going everywhere. So let's see if it works. Oh, I mean, it kind of works. I'm gonna have to say this experiment was a fail, so let's hope for the best on the next one. Okay, so this next experiment is called Floating Art, and the last experiment was pretty messy, so I'm hoping it's not as messy. And so the things you'll need are dry erase markers, some water, and a plate. And we're just going to draw some things on the plate and then put water on it and see if it starts to float. So let's give it a try. I think I'm gonna make jellyfish. I don't know. And the last one. Okay, so now we just add water and hopefully it starts to float, and I really hope this DIY experiment works because it looked really cool online, so I'm hoping it works. Let's try it. Well, they're kind of moving. These two got ruined, so I'm gonna move the plate and see if those come off. I'm hoping this works. Okay, I'm just gonna try to move it around with my hand. Oh, I got it to work. There, it's working. It actually kind of works, but those 3 got destroyed. This is the only one that worked. Yay, it kind of worked. Okay, so this experiment was actually super fun, and I'm gonna say that it worked. So this experiment was a success. I just think I need to work on my skills, and then it will probably be better. So let's just move on to the next experiment. Okay everyone, this is the last experiment, and so the things you'll need are a cup of white vinegar and then a raw egg. And the whole point of this experiment is it eats off the shell of the raw egg and it turns like into a squishy egg, and that's why it's called a squishy egg experiment. And so we'll just pop it in, and it takes about 2 days. And now it's starting to bubble, so we'll see this egg in 2 days. Okay guys, it's totally 2 days later, and we have the egg, and let's see. It's so squishy. It feels so weird. And here is the comparison. It looks like it got a lot bigger. I don't know how, but it got a lot bigger. And it's a pretty big difference. And I can't believe it actually ate away at the shell. I did not think this one would work at all, but it did, and it looks so cool. So I think we should go see if this can break. Okay, so we are going to now bounce it on the floor first. Whoa. Oh, wow. I was not expecting that. I thought it would be like a bouncy ball, but I guess not. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed my video this week, and comment down below which one of my experiments was your favorite and which one would be the most fun to try out. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye!